burnout? Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by repetitive tasks, endless emails, and work that never seems to slow down no matter how many hours you put in? Imagine this instead. Your day starts and half of your routine tasks are already done. Your emails are pre-sorted, your schedule is optimized, your documents are created, your reports are ready, and your projects are already synced across every single platform. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that your daily reality. Because in 2025, if you're not using automation tools, you're leaving productivity and opportunity on the table. This isn't just about managing tasks. This is about fundamentally transforming your workflow. What if I told you the real secret to unlocking massive strategic capacity isn't about working harder, but smarter? Today, we're diving into the most powerful automation tools of 2025, tools that can eliminate your biggest time sinks, replace repetitive tasks, and give you back hours every single week. So let's jump into the top automation tools you need to master in 2025. First up, let's tackle the biggest productivity killer of them all. Email. The average professional spends 2.5 hours a day on email. That's over 13 hours a week, doing nothing but reading, sorting, replying, and deleting. Tools like Superhuman AI and Outlook Copilot are completely changing this. Here's what they do. They automatically categorize and prioritize your messages. They can generate responses instantly in your own writing style. They identify urgent versus non-urgent emails, so you know what to focus on. They can even summarize long emails into 2 or 3 key sentences. So instead of staring at 200 unread messages, you get a clean, prioritized inbox where everything important is already highlighted for you. For example, you receive a long departmental update email. Superhuman summarizes it in seconds. 2 deadlines, 1 change. 1 approval needed. Boom, you just spent 30 seconds instead of 6 minutes. The bottom line is, email automation alone can save you 6 to 8 hours every single week. Next, let's talk about task and workflow automation with tools like Notion AI automations and GitHub automations. These tools turn your repetitive tasks into self-running systems. Let's say you're managing a project. Tasks are coming in from multiple sources: your calendar, your team, your emails. Normally, you'd spend hours assigning deadlines, tagging teammates, and sorting all those tasks. But with automations, new tasks automatically get added to your project board. Deadlines can adjust themselves if priorities change. Project status updates sync across every tool your team uses, and notifications only trigger when you absolutely need them. Here's a real-world example. You create a weekly content schedule template. It's like having a digital assistant that never forgets a single thing. Now, Let's move on to document and report automation with tools like Google Workspace Duet AI and Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you've ever spent hours creating presentations, documents, or reports, you're going to love this. You can now generate fully formatted documents, slide decks, meeting summaries, weekly reports, and project briefs with a single command. For example, you could type, "Create a 7-slide presentation summarizing this week as sales, performance, and action items," and it's done in under 10 seconds. The benefits here are huge. You get perfect formatting every time. You never have to suffer from blank page syndrome again. You can get instant summaries of long meetings, automatic translations, and even smart rewriting suggestions to improve the clarity, tone, or professionalism of your writing. In 2025, AI document creation isn't a bonus feature, it's your new default. Okay, let's talk about personal automation and life optimization with apps like Motion and Reclaim AI. These apps manage your life so you don't have to. Your calendar becomes intelligent. It moves tasks automatically based on your workload, your meeting schedule, and even your personal habits. Let's say a meeting gets moved, or a deadline shifts, or maybe a task just takes longer than you expected. Your calendar will automatically rearrange your entire day to keep you optimized and on track. No more calendar chaos. No more wondering, when should I schedule this? No more forgetting all those small but important tasks. Reclaim AI even blocks out focus time, lunch, exercise, or breaks at the best possible moment for you. It's like having a time management coach that works for you 24/7. Now, we're going to go even deeper with advanced workflow automation using tools like Zapier and Make.com. These tools connect everything together. They're the glue for all your other apps. For example, when someone fills out a form on your website, you can set up an automation that sends them an auto email and creates a task for your team. When a new customer signs up, they can be automatically added to a spreadsheet, added to your CRM, and sent a welcome email. When you upload a video, you can have the thumbnail, description, and tags automatically generated. After a sales call ends, a summary can be added to Notion, and a follow-up email can be drafted for you. You can literally build multi-step workflows that run your business while you sleep. And finally, the game changer for 2025, ChatGPT automations, especially with the upcoming integrations of new models. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore. You can now use it to automate daily messages, generate social media posts, rewrite content instantly, summarize research, create workflows, analyze spreadsheets, plan entire projects, and act as your personal executive assistant. And when you combine ChatGPT with tools like Zapier or Notion, you unlock truly endless automation power. So here's the truth: automation is no longer optional, it's essential. Every hour you save today compounds into more output, more creativity, and more opportunities tomorrow. Start small. Pick just one tool from this list. Automate one simple task, and within a few weeks, you'll start to feel the transformation. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know which automation tool do you want me to cover next in a deep dive video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.